On this episode of The AutoArchaeologist, we're at a junkyard looking at Chevrolet muscle cars that sadly have had a very hard life, to say the least. Like this 69 Camaro that, yeah, and it's also sitting on top of a 66 Chevelle SS 396. Oh boy. Okay, underneath here is an El Camino. Nothing crazy, the owner said, but here's a, I think, 62 Impala SS, but it's not a 409 car or anything. A little rough, just a little bit, but there's the all-important SS badging. We got Malibus, we got a Chevelle 4-door, El Caminos, Impala or something, random Ford, two random Fords, and then we got, ooh yeah, here we go. Down there is a 1966 Chevelle SS 396 car. On top of it, if you can see, SS, that's a, we're 90% sure it's a 350 69 Camaro. It's sitting on top of a 66 Chevelle SS. And then here I'll show you how hard the hit both of them are. They didn't hit each other, but you can see it's pretty ugly in there. Pretty ugly up front. Still has the SS hood. And there's the money shot. Then we got the front end of the... See, when I was here last time, there was cars all here. So you could barely see this Camaro. But now that they've moved a whole bunch of stuff, you can clearly see that it is really rough. I mean, the cowl's rotted away. You can see the cowl tag, though. Pretty cool. And then what else we got? Over here we have a a Torino, an Impala wagon, dry land finally, Chevelles, Impalas, Chevelle 4-door, Chevy Lumina, and oh, where is it here? Yes, here it is. Okay, I'll show you this car right here, because I walked past it the first time, and when I was first here 10 years ago, I walked by the backside because it was on a car, which I'll show at the end, and you can see that there's no fender on the passenger side and there's no front end except for this one little cutout. And this is a legitimate 1970 Oldsmobile 442 W30. Yeah, that's right, a real W30 car. It had an engine fire, he said. That's why you can see it's all burnt up to those badges, and that's why it was cut at that point. But still, I think it's savable. But I mean, I'm not. You can see there's holes in the cowl now. The front frame rails probably have been annealed. I don't know. Still, it's a W30. Sitting next to it's a 68 Camaro. And next to that is a 69 Barracuda Fastback, which is pretty neat. I'll try to go around the back real quick. Ooh, there's the Barracuda tail panel. Ooh, and a rally, small bolt pattern Mopar rally wheel. That's fun. And then here's a Cadillac. You know, we all care about those Cadillacs. I'll turn this off because no one wants to see me walking. Okay, here's the back side of that row. Here's that 69 Barracuda Fastback and the 68 Camaro. And then here's the back side of the 442. Looks like it was originally a green car. I know, oh, the steering wheel's in there. Actually, the interior's mostly there. Oh, and here's the remains of a Super Sport Impala. That's really sad. Well, they cut the roof right off. No engine or transmission. But that 442, W30 sitting in a junkyard. Unfortunately, the interview with the owner of the yard ended prematurely. I didn't know that my recorder had died, so we're back to me doing a little voiceover work, and I especially love the drone work here. Not exactly this drone work, but I love being able to use the drone in this situation to give you a better overview of what exactly is in this yard. And like here, that's the Camaro that we saw from a vantage point that you would not be able to see anywhere else. And I was so happy to be able to get it. I just wish I had more time. You can see in this video that the yard is immense, and the ability to see it all and do everything I wanted in one day. We were there from even before opening all the way. They actually closed and they let me just wander around by myself for hours on end. And I was there until the sun was setting, which was very fortunate. I really could do 2 or 3 days walking through the yard. I've been there 4 times, or maybe 3 times total. Like, there was one in 2014, then a later one in 2014, and then here in 2024. But there's so much to see and document. To be able to have the time to really dig in when it's not a soupy mess was very intriguing to me, but I just ran out of time, and I hope to be able to follow up here in the near future when it's not a swamp. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video from the yard. How crazy was that SS Camaro and then the Chevelle SS underneath it? A lot more coming up. I think the rest is all Mopar stuff, so that should be really interesting. I'm currently in Indiana, so I went on a little excursion on my own and came and saw an old friend, nice old F unit. And so yeah, and then there's also another old unit down there, but these are my favorite. I haven't seen this one in person in a very long time. But so I apologize for no video last week. Had some computer issues after I came back from Wisconsin. So I'm back and of course going to roll on with everything. Every Monday there will be a new video. I got this yard, I got a few more coming up. I got another yard. I got my friend's Mopar collection. Actually, I think I have 2 or 3 like Chevy and Ford collections. So it should be pretty good. Let me know what you think. I appreciate the feedback I had the last time I asked. And I do want to try to take more time to document the cars fully. Like the yard where I'm at, I was there the entire day and I still didn't get everything done I needed to. And it sucks. But I hope you guys appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please share this and subscribe so I know that you guys like the content. And I'll talk to you all soon. Stay safe. Oh, before I say goodbye, next weekend is the Belvedere Mopar happening in Belvedere, Illinois. I'll be there both days. I might go see my friend with the B-17 bomber one of the days, just for a little bit, because he's not far from there. So let me know what you think. I'll talk to you all soon. Stay safe.